In today's video, I am going to teach you how to republish your GoDaddy website. To begin, log into your GoDaddy account and open your website dashboard. Once you are signed in, go to the Websites Plus Marketing section. Here, you will see the websites connected to your account. Select the website that you want to update so you can open its management area. After that, click Edit Website or Edit Site. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder, where you can make changes to your site. Inside the editor, update anything you need. You can change text, replace images, edit existing pages, or add and adjust sections depending on what you want to improve on your website. Once your updates are in place, take a moment to review your work inside the editor. Look through each area carefully to make sure your changes are correct. This helps you catch any mistakes before the new version goes live. Next, click Preview. This lets you see how the updated website will appear to visitors once it is published. Review the layout, the content, and the overall appearance of the page. Make sure everything looks the way you want on the live site. When you are done checking the preview, return to the editor. If you notice anything that needs to be adjusted, make those final edits now. Once everything looks correct and you are ready to make the updates public, click Publish in the top right corner of the editor. GoDaddy will then begin publishing the latest version of your website. This usually takes only a short moment. Wait for the process to finish completely before moving on. After the publish is complete, open your live website in your browser and check that the new changes are visible. If you do not see the updates right away, refresh the page and check again. In some cases, it may take a short time for the most recent version to appear. Once you confirm that the edits are live, your website has been successfully republished. This is the full process for republishing your GoDaddy website after making changes in the website builder. Follow these same steps anytime you want to push new updates to your live site. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.